Mrs. Vesta's Math Lesson Summary, Lesson 2, Converting Fractions. Find this page in your packet. It should be the second page. We're going to look at the different parts of a fraction and finding equivalent fractions. So the first problem, they give us the visual model. From the visual model, we can see that this fraction is 1 over 6. So the numerator for this fraction is a 1. The denominator is a 6. An equivalent fraction, we can take both the numerator and the denominator times 2, times 3, times any number we want, as long as we multiply both the top and the bottom, the numerator and the denominator, by the same factor. I'm going to multiply both numbers by 2, so 1 over 6 times 2, which would give us an equivalent fraction of 2/12. The reciprocal of the fraction is when you flip the fraction upside down and the denominator becomes your numerator. So 6 over 1. Our next problem, they show us 1/3. So 1/3. This happens to be simplest form because both 1 and 3 have a GCF, or greatest common factor, of 1. The numerator, again, is 1. The denominator is 3. I'm going to just multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3, and this will give us an equivalent fraction of 3/9. The reciprocal of our original fraction, flipping the number upside down, is 3 over 1. 1/3 times 3 over 1 equals 3/3, which equals 1 whole. Your reciprocal times your original fraction should always give you 1 as your answer. Our next fraction is 1/2. So our simplest form, again, is 1 over 2 because 1 and 2 both have a GCF of 1. The numerator, again, is 1. The denominator is 2. 1/2, I'm simply going to multiply both numbers by 4. This would give me 4 over 8 as an equivalent fraction. The reciprocal is 2 over 1 because the denominator becomes the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator. So the next one, we're going to make our own, and we're going to make this one so that we need to reduce it. So I'm going to take a block and split into 4 pieces and shade in 2 of those pieces. This gives me the fraction 2 over 4. However, this is not simplest form. Again, simplest form is reducing it down 2/4. Both numbers can be divided by 2, which again gives us 1/2. And everything would repeat, except we're going to this time multiply by 3 for an equivalent fraction of 3 over 6. The reciprocal, 2 over 1. This time, we are going to split the bar into 6 pieces. And we are going to color in 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I colored in 1 too many. Let me try to just do, and we'll shade it back in the right way. That looks better. 4 over 6. So again, 4 over 6 is not in simplest form. Both of those numbers can be divided by 2. When you divide both those numbers by 2, we get 2/3. So 2/3 is simplest form because that is the 2 and 3 only share a factor of 1. This time, my numerator is 2. My denominator is 3. 2/3, we're going to take both numbers times 3, and we get 6 over 9 for an equivalent fraction. 2/3 flipped becomes 3 over 2. 2/3 times 3 halves equals 1